Hi guys, this is Eli Redmond coming to you from 723 Whiskey Bravo, just down here on beautiful 30A in Seagrove Beach. And today we are going to be making our cocktail of the week for you called the Bravo Blue. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to take this highball glass, fill it with a little ice, get a little blue curacao, about an ounce of that just right there at the bottom. And you're going to fill your shaker tin. You're going to do an ounce of Absolute vodka, little Real gourmet cream of coconut syrup here, just a little bit because it's super sweet, and a little bit of fresh pineapple juice. We're going to do about an ounce of that as well, and just shake her on up, pop it off, give it a little strain. And then top her off with a little Sprite and garnish with a cherry. And that is the Bravo Blue. Come on down, join us for happy hour. You'll get to have this tasty, wonderful beach drink. We'll see you soon.